Hello, Professor. Is it your birthday?
Yes, obviously.
Happy birthday. You're very young to be a professor.
Yes, I know I am. I was given this balloon today, and it got me thinking about an experiment.
Sounds interesting. Can you tell me more?
Yes, imagine we're driving along steadily in a car, and this balloon is floating above the back seat. What would happen if we put the brake on suddenly?
Well, the car would stop.
Well, of course. But would the balloon move forwards towards the front seat when we braked, or would it stay still? Or would it go backwards towards the boot?
That's a good one, Professor. I don't know. Do you?
I think I know what would happen, but I'd like to carry out an experiment to see if I'm right. Would you help me?
Yes, of course. I'm keen to know what will happen.
So I'm driving at 40 miles an hour and I'm suddenly going to put the brakes on and we'll see what happens to the balloon.
Backwards, yay!
I'm going to turn round the right hand corner. Which way will the balloon go when we turn? Here we go.
It goes to my side.
Well, that was amazing, Professor. Did you work out what was going to happen?
Yes, it did just what I thought it would.
Well, I was surprised. Can you explain it to me?
Think of it like this. The air is heavier than the helium in the balloon. So when the car brakes, the heavy air rushes to the front of the car, forcing the lighter balloon backwards. And when you turn right, the heavy air goes to the left of the car, making the lighter balloon go to the right. I've got a little model that shows it well. Here's a tank of water with a glass bulb full of air. Now if you push the tank forward, suddenly the bulb goes forwards in the tank because the water is heavier. And when you slow it down at the end, it goes backwards. In slow motion it's a bit clearer.
That's a good demo. I think I've got the idea now. Thanks, Professor, for a great bit of science.
It's my pleasure. Physics is great when you want to know how things work. We should use it more often.
Absolutely. Do you have any more experiments in your head?
Well, I'm thinking, what would happen if you did the same thing in an open-top sports car? Then there'd be a few more things to take into account.
Well, I've always wanted a sports car, and now I've got a reason to get one. Thanks. I might have to wait until it's my birthday, though.
OK, I can wait, but thanks for helping.